I can make a video to show you exactly what is going on. As you can see, the white wire I already soldered in, and it was pretty straightforward and everything was good. But for the ground and the red one, it's not coming out this soldering. I don't know why. I mean, you can see that I already have it on 300 uh, centigrade dates, and it's not coming on. So I don't know what's happening or how to get rid of this. And if I try to apply new solder, it doesn't get stick to it, so I don't know what to do.